Hi guys, for today's video I'm going to cook meat and beans. So I have the meat here already, so it's half kilo of meat, the beans, and onions and garlic, potatoes, carrots, and the bell pepper. So let's start cooking now guys. So first of all, we need to wash everything. This one, because it's loads of dust. We don't know if asan siya gikan, so ato siyang i-wash guys to make it sure. So the meat, I have the meat here. This is 1 kilo. Wala na siya abot of 1 kilo guys. It's only half kilo. So here make it dry first, so that later on I need to fry everything that one. Now it's already washed, so I need to put a little bit of salt. This is salt and some one of my favorite seasoning mix, like that. Put like that. I mean, yeah. Okay. So now it's clean already, guys. So we can slash it later on. Actually guys, I cut it into cubes, so that's easier for me. Forget to cut it into cubes. Okay, it's okay. Already know I put the seasoning. So what I'm gonna do is I will cook. So then I put a little bit of soy sauce. This is one of my favorite soy sauce brand. Now the oil is hot, so I will put the meat. Okay, now so I need to cook first the meat so that it will make it cook properly. So now guys, this is how the oil is. Loads of oil comes out from the meat. So that's why we need to cook it properly. So look at the oil. Oh, it's too much. So guys, what I'm going to do is I need to remove the oil. This is too much. It's too much. It's not good for our body. So I need loads of fats. So just a little bit. Okay, like that. Yeah. Now guys, I'm going to put the garlic. Garlic first. Garlic, then later the onions. Now guys, I'm going to put the garlic. Garlic first. Garlic, then later the onions. Garlic first. No more oil. I put a little bit of oil. Okay. That. Now the onions, the red onions. Red onions. Now it's okay guys. So we need to mix together, then put a little water. Just put a little to make the meat become soft. Yeah, like that. Then leave it for around. So now guys, let's check. Oh, it's very soft now, the meat. Really soft, because I boiled this one about for almost 1 hour. So just need to put the seasoning powder, one of my favorite seasoning powder. Now let's put the potatoes. This potatoes is better, this one when there's potatoes. It's called ginamay in the Philippines. So now let's check again. Let's add the bell pepper. Bell pepper guys, so that makes the meat nice and tasty. Now let's check. Then let's add the beans. This is already cooked beans. Yeah, let's add to make it tasty. Now it's ready to serve guys. It's already cooked. Let's eat dinner. Guys, let's eat now. It's already cooked and ready to serve you. Now guys, let's check and let's taste. This and ready to I'm ready to eat my dinner now. Manihapon ako guys. Kay hapon na. So maura ni akong dinner. Maura ni siya akong dinner. Nice. And the potato is too sweet. Nice guys. So let's eat. Hey guys, it's now ready to serve you. This is the well done. I'm just cooking already. It's finished. Simple cook for me. Hey guys, it's now ready to serve you. This is the well done. I'm just cooking already. It's finished. Simple cook for me. Now guys, I'm just cooking the jasmine rice. 2 cups of rice for my dinner. I need to rinse this one first, the rice. Rinse it 2 times. Like that, rinse it 2 times. This is white rice. I love white rice. Just rinse it one more. One more rinse. As you can see, it's like a cloudy part so that it will become wet. And then this is 2 cups. It's also 2 cups. 2 cups of water. 1, 2. That's it. 2 cups of rice. So I don't need to put anything because I love plain rice. One of my favorite, the plain rice. I get used to it because this is our tradition. Plain rice. Asian love plain rice mostly. Yeah, like that. Just wipe it down to make sure it's not wet. It's going to the rice when cooking because this is rice cooker. It's electric, not getting wet. And now, yes, I put this one in the rice cooker and then turn it on, and then push it down, and then waiting for 15 minutes. And the rice is here. Look, you can see the rice. Yeah. This is only 2 cups of rice, 2 cups water.